The whole industry been in shambles. Everybody's fugazi, I'm just changing the channel. Keeping them all, the people champion, I'm animal for analysts. Career damaging versus meditating with candles lit. I like my raps extra prolific. Freestyling on lunch tables and park benches. And I won't mention my 10,000 hours in training while juggling game banging. My balance and was tremendous. And now we look at the competition as quick submissions. They're tapping out before we even get a chance to miss them. What this about, is it money or skill? Maybe it's both, and I got large amounts of it, it's real. You see, my oath is very unbreakable. My style is never mistakable. I can see y'all incapable to be the god MCs, you know me well. The sinister, run for cover, my lineage prove itself. I'm rolling deep to hotels. For folk scholars, I flow tighter than virgin lips. We here to shake the game up, and you're flying through turbulence. Every time it's on stake nowadays.
Woo! Give it up for him right there. Mr. Komplex.
Let's go, Rambo!
Do you love me? Do you need me?
This is serious. Oh, here we go.
Do you love me?
Is that right? I saw that.
Do you need?
10 seconds.
Do you love me?
Here we go. In time. Give it a right there. That was a beat of the Matrix like a Mars. Real quick. Judges, we ready? All right, let's get it down. 3, 2, 1. All right, Cindel takes it right there. Mr.